everyone, the wait is over. A new record by my Raengdai Lottery day, 11 February home. Tarung community hall for Khung President was soy mga supunite. First prize rin na ay rin mo
Okay, my second prize na nanayonte, Bullet Royal Enfield 350. Third prize ko na pinagay na tayo may Ekiva 60.
First, second, third, latong mukit tinalo ng halaw yo.
Bansay country, content k each consolation prize na inabami. Du thang bam na gantang mo may goy ka. FC Raengdai tong Facebook page to live sulan na bam tumide.
For latest information and updates, follow FC Raengdai Instagram and Facebook page. May good luck. Thank you.